I see you on Facebook. I see you on Instagram. I see you on Zillow. I see you searching for the perfect starter home, and I found it. Welcome to Penasquitos Pines. Centrally located off the 56 and 15 freeway, this fully remodeled home is turnkey ready and meets all your needs. Featuring a gorgeous kitchen and open floor plan, it is perfect for hosting. With dual pane windows, luxury vinyl flooring, new appliances, and a luxury tub, you will enjoy relaxing in your new home after a long day. For any questions, contact Nick Yates with Active Realty and Team Z at 619-304-6425.